There really is one major side effect of laser hair removal, and that's getting a burn. Typically, the burns are caused when it's an inexperienced provider treating darker skin types and not really dialing in the laser settings to what's appropriate for a particular skin tone. The way you avoid that is by going to a board-certified dermatologist or a board-certified plastic surgeon who is overseeing your laser hair removal treatments. The trouble I see most folks running into is when they go to these local medi-spas that are on the corner, or it's an inexperienced user of the laser device who's dialing in the wrong settings. That being said, even with the most experienced provider performing the laser procedure, there's always a risk of getting a scar, but you could significantly reduce that risk if you go to someone with a lot of experience, namely that's a board-certified dermatologist or a board-certified plastic surgeon. In the unfortunate event that you may get a burn, if it's a board-certified dermatologist or a board-certified plastic surgeon who's treating you, they'll know what to do to get your skin right so there's no permanent scarring from that burn.